know what it is, FBO fam. This is another installation of FBO me, and today what I'm doing is going to pick up my traction control system for this M. So if you know about the M, you know it's a car that can make a lot of power, makes it down low, makes it quickly, and the car is light. So we got to get this traction under control, and I'm going to pick up this super advanced traction control system for this M4. So we'll be there in a minute. Short little ride, but until then, I'll see y'all in a minute. Just on the way. We ain't got too far. Flat show, baby. Just a little ride through the A, man. Going to pick up this traction control. I can't wait, man. I'm about to show these boys what's up. But yeah, we almost there. We should be pulling up pretty soon. Okay, you see it. Boy got the panel caravan over here with them dubs on that thing. And look, he had a hood scoop on that bit too. I wish I could have got it, but I couldn't pull my phone up quick enough because I was looking at the GPS. He riding. Mess around and put that SRT 4 swapping on y'all ass. Be gapping niggas for real.
Good afternoon, welcome to Golden Cross.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
That's good?
That's good.
And what's the patty now? How much shrimp?
Let me get one cheesy beef patty and one shrimp.
Okay.
Somebody looking for an Explorer with a shaker Hemi swap. Got you one over here for $3,500. Holler at your boy. I'll let you know where to pick it up. And I do expect a little bit of money for me finding the finder's fee for me finding this car. Shaker Hemi Explorer. The dyno on.
Crazy.
Where y'all was at?
Had that jacket on.
Where y'all was at?
Yeah,
You had something. You had like an anime jacket on or something. Yeah.
That was at. I don't know where the hell that shit was. I think that was.
All right,
that was
y'all.
at the dyno event.
Yeah.
Yes,
I done pulled up on the boy OKQ over here.
Yes, sir, man. We outside, man. We gotta get
I
the
ain't
boy
even
right.
know. Listen, I'm looking at this ad, right? I ain't even know who it was. I'm just looking at the deal. The boy throwing me this advanced traction control system right here for Red Skull over here. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all see the size. You see the mother width. All right, man.
These are exact tires that's on my M6 right now.
Man, it ain't nothing better on the streets right now.
I'm up to 315. I want to get rid of my 295.
Yeah, I would do 350. I'm gonna do 315 or 305 when I go with some type of I want some BCs.
Okay.
I want some BCs for real. But
now you talking.
yeah, for sure. This your whip too?
Yeah, them a little daily, man. A little daily, you know what I'm saying?
How long you had this?
Shit. Goddamn, I'll let you see the first person that's gonna see this ever.
For real?
Get in there, look at the inside. I ain't
Okay.
showing nobody yet. We still working on it. First BMW with the blue headliner.
Oh.
Yeah, you ain't gonna see
Let me
another
take these
beamer like
shades off.
Ain't nobody.
I wasn't
see
even
it yet.
seeing it at first. I had to take the
Ain't nobody
shades
gonna see
off.
it. Ain't nobody see it for a couple weeks. I'm
Okay.
about to do something else with it. Them a little daily though.
That's
man.
what's up. But down pipe and tuning, you gonna do all of that?
Down pipe too.
They already on there, or you just?
Nah, I ain't putting it on yet.
Okay.
I'm trying to get all the damn. I'm about to throw the wheels on this weekend.
Yeah.
I got the down pipe, so I'm actually putting a brand new motor in it. So
Yeah.
hopefully the new motor going.
I'm gonna show you. I got a whole lot of content to upload. Like I got just videos and videos and videos, but
That's how it be.
I got this one I'm working with.
Yeah, okay.
We ain't playing with them.
You come on out, bro. You know who them addicts is, right?
Where at? Them addicts?
Yeah.
Nah, I ain't been. Man, I've been in A for 2 months.
Them addicts, we the car club with all them.
I've been in the A for like 2.5 months.
Bring you out to one of the events then. We got like 4 M4s.
Say less.
We got an M4 got me making about 620 horsepower.
Hey, everything here. Oh, but what you don't see is the down pipes and the big single mid pipe up under there.
Okay.
I ain't playing. I'm not playing.
Don't play with
You
it.
already know what time it is. We finna I know you got your Mopar too, but we finna be mopping up Mopar tears around here, cause these boys,
I'm ready. Come on.
these boys ridiculous around here. I don't think I'm gonna put one in the trunk. You think both of them fit in the trunk? Nah, hell nah. I'm gonna put one in the trunk and I'm gonna put one on the inside. I brought a towel. I like these carbon fiber brows right here. With the M badging, and you put the grills in here too, the new style grill. Yeah.
Yeah, we coming together.
Got that nard on this. It's a wrap.
Yep, that's wrapped in Eisentex charcoal gray.
These frosted markers too. Is that a thing that came on them, or is that something you done?
The what?
Like the way these markers are frosted right here?
Yeah, that came on.
They came like that?
This the M Sport, that's why.
Right, okay.
This the 550 M Sport edition. So
Okay.
with the frosted.
I know people don't, man. Listen, if you see M anything on the BMW, if it got downpipe and tune on, it'll haul ass. It don't got to be the M to be bad. But if you want to be the baddest, then it do got to be. Then it got to be that. For real. Yeah, let me go ahead and shoot you this Apple Pay, man.
Oh yeah, okay.
Loading up. But yeah, man, I appreciate it, man. He slided me a real good deal on these. This is exactly what I was looking for. I did see one more tire that I was thinking about trying, but when I got on last night and I seen these was up for grabs, it wasn't nothing else to think about. So yeah, man, I really appreciate that though, for real. Yo, so y'all seen I went capping. It might be a little bit different than what you was thinking of, but if you think that our AAARs are not an advanced traction control system, you ain't been around long enough. The boy OKQ gave me a great deal on them, and now all we got to do is put them on. And after that, really, I mean, the car is kicking ass right now. It's quick. I have laid some people to rest already with these spinning ass Michelin all seasons on here. So when these guys go on, all we need to do then is upload a tune, man. And it's gonna be Look Out Little Children, baby.